Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is with a healthcare company. However, you are going to be entering and processing reimbursement requests, so it's completely non-phone. It's a lot of data entry. We're going to dive all into it. Just know the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company American Specialty Health. They are hiring a fitness reimbursement examiner. Now, this is remote, 100% work from home. It is for the United States only, and they're paying $14 an hour. Now, it does say they're going to provide all the computer equipment you need to get started, so you don't even have to have a computer. Now, one thing to note, when you attend regular team meetings with your supervisor and your team, you may have to do those through Zoom and WebEx and be on video. But other than that, the actual job is non-phone. They are looking for somebody to process reimbursement requests accurately and efficiently. You'll review all incoming reimbursement requests to verify the necessary information. You'll enter that reimbursement request and information into a computerized request processing system. Of course, you'll help maintain all required documentation of reimbursement requests processed and the reimbursement requests that are held on hand. Other than that, again, you'll attend any meetings as required and adhere to organizational policies and procedures. So these are reimbursement requests that people are going to get when they use their insurance products or whatever to get reimbursed for fitness products. Maybe this is gym memberships, the meal delivery services, whatever. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has data entry experience, someone who can work in Microsoft Office, someone who can use word processing and the keystroke, because you're going to have to do a minimum of 10,000 keystrokes per hour. And they're looking for someone to be a problem solver. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do keep those in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.